Friends, so previous classes I think completed example number 1. So now start example number 2, coordinate geometry, example number 2. Example number 2, page number 159 NCERT. So here given, so that the points, 4 points are given, are vertices of a square. 4 points given, and so that these 4 points is the vertices of a square. So for a square, what will we show? For a square, we show that all sides are equal and its diagonals are also equal. Here 4 point given, and so that it is a square. Suppose A, B, C and D, 4 points given, and suppose coordinate of A is 1, 7 and coordinate of B 4, 2, coordinate of C -1, -1 and coordinate of D is -4 and 4, and so that it is a square. So for a square we have to show that all sides are equal. So first find all sides, that is using distance formula, and find AB. So first find AB. Distance AB is equal to, what is the formula? Distance formula x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So AB, first point suppose x1 y1, second point suppose x2 y2. So put all the values. This equal to x1, what is x1? 1 minus x2, what is x2? 4. So 1 minus 4 whole square. Y1, what is y1? 7 minus y2, what is y2? 2. So square. Now simplify it. So square root, this 1 minus 4, that is -3 and it's a square, that is 9. 7 minus 2, 5, it's a square, 25. Now add it, a square root 34. So this is the one side AB. Now find BC similarly. BC, a square root, use same formula, x1 minus x2 whole square. So point B suppose x1 y1 and point C suppose x2 y2. So x1, what is x1? 4 minus x2 is -1, then minus plus. So 4 plus 1 whole square plus y1, what is y1? 2 minus y2 minus 1. So minus becomes plus. So 2 plus 1, 3 whole square. Now simplify. Square root 4 plus 1, 5 is a square, 25 and 3 square 9, and its add, that is root 34. Same as BC. Similarly you find CD and AD, same find कर लोगे. So similarly आप CD find कर लोगे, आ जाएगा root 34 and AD also root 34. आप ये निकाल लोगे. डिस्टेंस फार्मूला, एजिंग डिस्टेंस फार्मूला फाइंड कर लेंगे. सो हियर सो दैट ABCD is a square. So for a square, first we have to show that all sides are equal. Then second we have to show that its diagonals are also equal. Diagonal, length of diagonal, if only show that all 4 sides are equal, then it is a rhombus. It is not necessary ABCD is a square. So for a square we have to show that all sides equal and diagonals are equal. कहीं इसको आप नोट कर लोगे. For a square we have to show that all sides are equal and its diagonals are equal. So now find the length of diagonal, that is AC. So find AC, use same formula, x1 minus x2 whole square. So what is x1? 1 and x2 minus 1, so minus minus plus, plus y1, what is y1? 7 minus y2 minus minus plus. Simplify it, 1 plus 1 2, it's a square, 4, 8 square 64. So this is equal to root 68. So this is the value of diagonal AC. Now find diagonal BD. BD find करेंगे. So diagonal BD same find, use distance formula, square root B point x1 y1. So x1 is 4 minus x2 minus 4. So minus minus plus whole square plus y1. What is y1? 2 and y2 4. So 2 minus 4 whole square. Simplify, 8 square 64 minus 2 square 4 is equal to root 68. So therefore AB आप यहीं से नोट कर सकते हो, therefore AB is equal to BC is equal to CD and is equal to AD, and diagonal AC is equal to BD. Therefore ABCD is a square. Therefore ABCD is a square. तो अब स्क्वायर के लिए समझ में आ गया कि ऑल साइड्स इक्वल एंड डायगोनल्स आर इक्वल. ओके, नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल नंबर 3. ये रीड क्वेश्चन पे क्वेश्चन. एग्जांपल नंबर 3. Example number 3. What example number 3? Example 3, figure 7.6. Figure given, that is x-axis and y-axis. Here draw graph y-axis and x-axis, y dash, x dash. This is origin. And in given question paper, question point A. What is the coordinate of point A? आप पॉइंट ए देखो, पॉइंट ए का कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होगा? x इज इक्वल टू 3 एंड y इज इक्वल टू 1. x इज इक्वल टू 3. सपोज पॉइंट हियर A, x इज इक्वल टू 3 एंड y इज इक्वल टू 1. अब ग्राफ में देख लो पॉइंट ए का कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होगा? व्हाट इज द x कोऑर्डिनेट? 3 एंड y कोऑर्डिनेट 1. Similarly, point B, what is the coordinate of B? X coordinate is 6 and y coordinate is 4. So coordinate of B is 6 and 4, 6 4 coordinate. And third point C, what is the x coordinate? 8 and y coordinate 6. So coordinate of C is 8 and 6. So from graph ABC, coordinates of ABC are given. Question is, from figure shown the arrangement of the desk in a classroom. Asima, Bharti and Camilla are seated at A, B and C. ABC coordinate given respectively. Do you think they are seated in a line? Question is, do you think they are seated in a line? So if ABC seated in a line, that is this ABC is a line segment, then AB, distance of AB plus BC is equal to distance of AC. Suppose point ABC lie on a line, then sum of these two distance is equal to third distance. Okay, so for to check that ABC seated on a line or not, find the distance AB, BC and AC. So use distance formula and find AB. So square root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Simplified, this is minus 3 square 9 minus 3 square 9. So is equal to 2 into 9, and this can return 3 root 2, the square root of 9, 3. So distance of AB is equal to 3 root 2. Now find distance of BC. Distance of BC, again use distance formula. So 6 minus 8 whole square plus 4 minus 6 whole square. This equal to 6 minus 8 minus 2 square 4. This also minus 2 square 4. So 2 into 4, 4 plus 4, 2 into 4. That is, this can return 2 root 2. So this is the value of BC. Now find the value of AC. So AC is equal to square root x1 is 3 and x2 is 8 plus y1 is 1 and y2 6. This equal to 3 minus 8 minus 5 and its square 25. This also minus 5 square 25. So this equal to, this can return 25 into 2, that is 5 root 2. Question is, do you think A, B, C all are seated in a row in a same line? Same line. So for same line क्या शो करनी होगी? We have to show that AB plus BC is equal to AC. So now find AB plus BC. Now AB plus BC is equal to, what is the length of AB? AB is 3 root 2 and BC is 2 root 2. 2 root 2. So 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2 is equal to 5 root 2, and the 5 root 2 is length of AC. So this is equal to AC. So AB plus BC is equal to AC. Therefore ABC lie on a line. Therefore A, B and C lie on a line. That is 3 point कोलिनियर का भी फॉर्मूला हो गया प्रूफ करने का. So all these 3 students lie on a line. Next example, example number 4th. Example number 4th. 4th is, find a relation between x and y such that point xy is equidistant from the given 2 point. So one point is given xy and 2 point given 7 1 and other point is 3 5. Here 1 point xy, 1 point here, other point here, and what is the given? Find a relation between x and y such that point xy, suppose this point is P and this one point A and this is suppose B. So point xy is equidistant from the point 7 1 and 3 5, equidistance. That is, this point P is equidistance from A and B. That is given PA is equal to PB. ये समझ में आ गया? point P, that is xy, is equidistant from given 2 points, that is PA is equal to PB. Now find the relation between x and y. So when PA is equal to PB, then PA square, or use formula, PA is equal to square root x1 minus x2 whole square, that is x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. This equal to PB, that is x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. Use formula. Now for deleting the square root, now squaring the both sides. So squaring both sides, then square root cancel. So x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 7 whole square. Now expand a minus b whole square. So x square minus 14x plus 49, y minus 1 whole square, y square minus 2y plus 1, x minus 3 whole square, x square minus 6x plus 9, here y square minus 10y plus 25. So expand all the terms, use that identity form, identity a minus b whole square. Now x square both side cancel, this y square also both side cancel. Now simplify it. First write minus 14x, then minus 2y, then 49 plus 1 plus 50. These all terms taking left side. So minus 6x taking left side becomes plus 6x, then minus 10y taking, then plus 10y, here 9 plus 25, 34 taking left side. So minus 34 is equal to 0, that is all are taking left side. So minus 14x and plus 6x equal to minus 8x, that is 6x minus 14x, minus 2y plus 10y, that is plus 8y, and 50 minus 34 plus 16 is equal to 0. Now 8 is the common factor, so now divided by 8, so minus x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the relation between x and y, or this can also written this both term taking right side, then 2x becomes plus and y becomes minus, that is their difference is equal to 2. So this is the relation between x and y. So now example number 5. Example number 5. Read the question. Example number 5. Example number 5. Example 5 is, find a point on the y-axis which is equidistant from given 2 points. Find a point on the y-axis, and you know that any point lie on the y-axis with x coordinate be 0. X coordinate of a point which lie on y-axis be 0. So suppose this P is a point which lie on a y-axis. So let coordinate of point P is 0 y, x coordinate is 0. Find a point on y-axis which is equidistant from given point A and point B. Point A given, A coordinate given 6, 5, and point B given whose coordinate is -4 3 and given PA is equal to PB. PA is equal to PB because given equidistance. Find a point which is equidistance from A and B. That is given PA is equal to PB. So, since required point on I axis, let coordinate of required point on y axis is P whose coordinate is 0 y. So, since given PA is equal to PB, because point P is equidistance from point A and point B, so use distance formula. So, PA that is square root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. PB, what is PB? x1 minus plus whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Now simplify it. So now first is squaring both sides, the square root cancel. This is minus 6 square, that is 36, then plus y minus 5 whole square, 4 square, 16 plus y minus 3 whole square. Now expand. So 36, this becomes y square minus 10y plus 25, 16 y square minus 6y plus 3 square, that is 9. So y square cancel. Now all constant term taking left side. So first 36 plus 25, 6, 5, 11, 1, carry 1, 3, 3, 6. And 16 plus 9, 25, taking left side, then minus 25, this equal to, right side is minus 6y, and this minus 10y taking right side becomes plus 10y. That is like term taking same side. So 61 minus 25, 11 minus 5, that is 6, and 5 minus 3, that is 3, 5 minus 2, that is 3, is equal to 4y. So y is equal to 9. Therefore, coordinate of a point P 0, 9. So 0, 9 is the coordinate. So and find a point of this, okay, 0, 9. So now exercise 7.1. if try it exercise 7.1. So exercise सेम क्वेश्चन ऐसे बनेंगे जो एग्जांपल जो हम डिस्कस किए हैं. जैसे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स, फाइंड हो जाएंगे. फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दिस. सो आप ये सब क्वेश्चन लगा करके आएंगे. सो एक्सरसाइज 7.1 होमवर्क आप इसको ट्राई करोगे. कितने क्वेश्चंस हैं टोटल? क्वेश्चन आई थिंक 10 क्वेश्चंस. जितनी मैक्सिमम बनेंगे इसको ट्राई करोगे. ओके.